How to open and use AI Select on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and you will see Display. So click on Display. So after click on Display, so scroll down and click on Edge panels. So first of all, turn on Edge panels. So after turn on Edge panels, click on panels. So enter panels from here. Go back to home screen, refresh phone and open Edge panel, and you will see. If you want to use and open AI select, so you will see AI select is here, so click on AI select. So if you want to use, so use from here. So you will see after using, after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can open and use AI select on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.